Welcome! In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to turn on Bluetooth on this laptop. So if your Bluetooth is turned off, when you won't see this icon when you click on this arrow icon right here. And in this case, you'll have to enable Bluetooth by going into Start menu, opening Settings, selecting Bluetooth and Devices, and by switching this toggle to the right, you'll enable Bluetooth. So as you can see, when it's turned off, we can see it right here, but when we turn it on by switching this toggle, you'll be able to access Bluetooth right from here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.